everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my first impressions of the magnetic eyelashes. But before we begin, if you're new here, I'm Paramjeet, a professional makeup artist, and I post beauty related content here. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel and also hitting that small bell icon so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get started. Whenever we talk about makeup, one of the trickiest parts is to apply the false lashes. Applying it to someone else is a different thing, and applying it to your own self is really difficult because you have to make sure that the lash band of the false lashes sit exactly on the base of your lashes. That becomes really tricky because of the shape of the eye is not a straight line. So that's why when it comes to applying false lashes, it takes a lot of practice to master it when you have to apply it for yourself. So we have heard about magnetic eyelashes for quite some time now, and there are several videos which show that they are super fun and easy, and of course there are mixed reactions to it. So that's why I was excited to try magnetic lashes myself and give you my first impressions and feedback on it and how I feel about it. I ordered my pack of magnetic lashes from Amazon. I had also seen another brand which was available on Nykaa. However, since it was more expensive, I went in for the one that was on Amazon. Since this is a new product and I'm going to try it for the first time, I did not want to put in more money and purchase a more expensive brand. So that's why I thought I'll first try the one that's available on Amazon, and if I feel that I need to go in for a better brand or a higher priced product, I will go in and maybe purchase a different brand. The kit that I purchased from Amazon is from Kalelis. This is the magnetic eyelash and eyeliner kit. This retailed for 969 rupees. However, I got it for 618 rupees. I will link it in the description box below. So if you're interested in purchasing it, you can go ahead and purchase it from Amazon. When I was searching for the magnetic lashes on Amazon, I found another pack which was offered by the same brand, but it has 10 magnetic eyelashes, but I have purchased the smaller one. This has 3 magnetic eyelashes of different designs, and it has 1 magnetic eyeliner along with a lash applicator. Now let's read the instruction of how we should go about applying these magnetic lashes. Step 1. Shake the magnetic eyeliner bottle well. Use the finishing powder before magnetic eyeliner and keep skin dry. Step 2 is to apply eyeliner 2 to 3 times. Make it thicker at both ends. Wait for 1 minute till eyeliner dries out. And step 3 is find the correct position firstly. Start from inner corner. Allow the lash to adhere to the magnetic eyeliner, then gently to the middle and to the end. To remove, it says that you have to gently peel off the lash strip starting at the outer corner and gently remove the eyeliner with makeup remover. So on my face, I have already done my light makeup, and on my eyes, I have some brown eyeshadow and I have applied a black kajal. So let's begin with the first step of the magnetic lashes, that is applying the magnetic eyeliner. Okay. So this is the size of the bottle. Okay. So it says that I have to shake it well before I apply. Now as per these steps, I have to apply the eyeliner 2-3 times and I have to keep it thicker on both the ends. Now I'm applying the magnetic eyeliner. Wish me luck. I'm applying it for the second time. And the third time now. It smells like acrylic paint to me. It's like a weird kind of a smell. So now we have to wait for a few seconds. So now it's been 1 minute and it says that I have to place the inner corner first and then the middle and then the end. So wish me luck. So I'm going in with the inner corner first. The outer corner sticking before the inner corner. Now I'm going to apply it on the other eye. Going in with the second lash now. That was super simple and easy. So you can have a look at how these lashes look now. Let's talk about the magnetic eyeliner first. I like that the consistency of the magnetic eyeliner is just like any other liquid eyeliner. So if you know how to apply liquid eyeliner, then you will not have a problem using it. But what if you do not know how to apply a liquid eyeliner? Then it is a little tricky thing for you to use a magnetic eyelash. Another positive thing is that the color of the eyeliner is really dark black, because sometimes we do have brands in which they say it's a black eyeliner, but the color is not exactly black. It's almost like a charcoal or a grey color. So that's why this color is really good. But what if I do not want to apply a black eyeliner? Sometimes we do go in for other colored liners like a brown or a gold or a green. So that is when you will not be able to use a magnetic eyeliner. And since you have to apply 2-3 layers of it, you have to always apply a thick black eyeliner before you can go in for these magnetic lashes. Now the major put off for me here was the smell. It actually smelled like those industrial paints, and it's a really strong smell. So I feel that it has a very strong chemical in it, because of which that smell is arising, and I really don't like it that much. The lash applicator or the tweezer that came with the pack is a good quality one. I could easily extract the lashes and apply them, and this was like any other lash tweezer that I used to apply the lashes. Coming to the lashes themselves, the lashes have very tiny magnets which are attached on the lash band. So that's why when you bring the lashes close to the magnetic eyeliner, it generates a pull and the lashes automatically get attached to the eyeliner. So depending upon how you have applied the eyeliner, the lashes will adhere to that particular area. So that's why it was much more easier to apply the lashes because of the magnetic eyeliner. So the lashes are pretty comfortable. They are just like any other false lashes that I apply. So I don't feel any extra weight or any difference in applying these false lashes. So I'm pretty okay with them. So the real trick here lies in applying the magnetic eyeliner. So if you get the magnetic eyeliner right, you will also be able to apply the lashes correctly. So the trick here is to learn to apply the eyeliner properly. And again, if you do not want to apply a black eyeliner, then you will not be able to apply the magnetic lashes. You will have to use your regular false lashes. The process for removing the lashes is also mentioned to be the same. You have to just pull out from the outer corner and then towards the inner side. So it's not very different than the regular lashes. So overall, these magnetic eyelashes are pretty okay. I find them super easy to apply as well, and I also don't find any difference in carrying them as compared to the false eyelashes. And if you are thinking of trying them, you can go ahead. I think they're pretty okay. So that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be also waiting for your comments and suggestions. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Until then, I love you guys so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.